Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Open the App Store or Google Play on your device to find Photo G. Tap Install and wait for download completion. App size is about 120 MB. Open Photo G and tap Create Account or Sign in with Google. Enter your email, choose a secure password, and accept permissions. Verify your email by tapping the link sent within 10 minutes. Grant camera and storage access to allow photo capture and saving. Set a profile photo and adjust privacy settings before starting to edit. Launch Photo G and tap the plus icon to start a new project. Choose photo, video, or collage and import media from your gallery. Crop using preset aspect ratios like 16:9 or 1:1. Adjust exposure, contrast, saturation, and temperature with sliders for precision. Use healing to remove blemishes and clone to copy nearby pixels. Add filters or custom LUTs and dial intensity to 50% or less. Export at full resolution or choose compressed sizes like 1080p or 720p. Save edits frequently by tapping Save and creating labeled project folders. Enable auto backup to cloud to secure photos and changes automatically. Share directly to Instagram, TikTok, or send a high-quality file by email. Use only way one-tap enhance for balanced color, sharpness, and noise reduction. Purchase Pro for batch export, RAW edits, and priority customer support. Manage subscriptions in settings and cancel within the Apple or Google stores. For troubleshooting, clear cache, restart the app, or contact support with logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.